Say hello to the Toshiba Portage Z930. This ultra-slim and ultra-light Ultrabook, inspired by Intel, is designed for today's lifestyle. The magnesium alloy chassis with honeycomb design and spill-resistant keyboard give you durability. The third generation Intel Core processor and up to 8-hour battery life give you high performance. And the complete set of full-size ports gives you connectivity like never before. Toshiba Portage Z930. It's everything you ever wanted in an Ultrabook.